Aner malakan yam kanasan content baro asna link Nuer online TV channel biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Kajan gwasame te kon korany be konaling rasha mo be karamadan la foreign minister ray which ka South Sudan agenda nan gorno ba nywa ya kel te korany mishalat media ne tungwan lat kana no South Sudan te ka kur ka kujamo telram gor ka no dongde le wore which ka South Sudan te kon la jor ke tindi win te golden kokien na mo chikana kula no dong che diajan ke she tok gor jen wo bajan nywa ya kel gor no jin be subscribe ka be notification bell je twain ko bilarity be kan chamala shubkaji gwasan dan en pai kalarech ko gor kono no banar wayni banakani ngwa ramala kam South Sudan kene witin ko kena lat rache sharaje no yendi winitin ko ken chwara dwal ka bere wech ka South Sudan ajene South Sudan ka jen gwasa mete kamal telarieng metitin ajene rajen shialing kene diala ko ken ajene shi thok South Sudan tele la kor deinten konti la deini UPDF ki deini Uganda kan ka ben rei wech ka South Sudan ajene tele kor me shialing no shi tok rei wech ka Nasser ka Great Hapanal State ajene chaja kapchong kirma yadit ngai kondi ala no kuma South Sudan ka jen gwasa mete rerika kukan la gor duomi mode ken gor kono shin monde ngai ke jen go te kri to rei wech ka South Sudan alaram dala Minister of Foreign Affairs ken international cooperation jene diala konti la visitor ken content goro de brewi ka South Sudan chega jogono chwara dwal biare which safe ka secure tel mulariktin kore dane chitok chaja chatok me chito de la rei which ka Nasser ka Great Hapanal State tele Foreign Minister spokesperson apug mayen charaj mo chajalat was mil dol natin ka shanka diok en walle shanka waro ka fay diok ron kina dangra wir jen dangra wir diech chelaro nena jene dialan content cha jogono shia de wore wi ko South Sudan gor jeno biya ben ko telariek we gom secure telmlarikten UK Foreign Commonwealth kan Development Office advisory chikan la do nena ajene ke pay me ke lushina de wore wicca ka South Sudan ko to kortetin chikarwaje mo chikan lat chikane ken chikan ga jogono shawre wi ka South Sudan ko South Sudan ke jen gwas mete ka kor chikarwaje mo yen chikan yu kwene nona bana jeling ka do bdande kon nga je ke tok English ko gor kon de kon de kon lat ko de kon ngach. The Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation has reassured visitors to South Sudan that the country remains safe and secure, describing the recent incident in Nasser as an isolated event. Foreign Minister spokesperson Apung Mayen made a statement in a press briefing on Wednesday, March 12, 2025, which he said was in response to travel advisories issued by foreign countries for their citizens in South Sudan. On March 8, the United States ordered the departure of non-emergency government personnel from South Sudan and advised citizens not to travel to the country over what it said was a continuous security threat. The UK Foreign Commonwealth and Development Office FCDO advisor updated this month has also cautioned against all travel to South Sudan due to the risk of armed violence and criminality. Foreign government have been urging citizens not to visit or be careful when they travel to South Sudan over its fragile security situation, although Juba claimed relative stability following the 2018 peace deal. However, the latest advisor followed fighting in Nasser on March 4 between SSPDF and army youths who overran a military base and later assassinate an army commander and a UN staff during an evacuation event. Meanwhile, diplomat Apuk described the Nasser incident as an isolated event, stating that the country is open and safe for visitors, investors, and development partners. The Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation notes the recent travel advisories issued by other countries and would like to assure the public that the situation in the South Sudan remains calm and secure. It was not immediately clear if any other foreign nation updated their travel advisory with regard to South Sudan in addition to the US and the UK. The incident that occurred on 4th March in Nasser County, as addressed by His Excellency President General Salva Kiir Mayardit, is an isolated occurrence resulting from a misunderstanding during a routine military deployment. The government has taken all necessary action to restore order, and the security forces are vigilant in their effort to maintain peace throughout the nation. His Excellency the President has reaffirmed his commitment to peace and stability. Thus, the minister would like to reassure the public and anyone planning to travel to South Sudan that South Sudan is open and safe for visitors, investors, and development partners. The minister encouraged embassies accredited to South Sudan and countries to rely on official source for accurate information, adding that South Sudan remain welcoming and secure destination. The minister's spokesperson also retweeted that her government appreciates the solidarity and the condemnation already received from the international community regarding the Nasser violence. Observers, including the UN Commission on Human Rights in South Sudan, believe the Nasser incident threatened to derail gain made in the 2018 peace agreement, although President Kiir has vowed to never allow country to slide back to civil war.